June 2011. The slow progression of the Earth consciousness will now be pushed and inevitably increased since the last great wave of energy coming from the central sun of our galaxy. There are now more than ever your world imbalances on data from this energy. What many see as confidence in us now necessarily it must become confidence in themselves. The faster the awakening of those who have chosen the light, stronger will be the attempt of the dark and the bigger the gap of those who are still slaves. We have shone in your skies for those of you who live in doubt, but who wanted to banish it. We do not want human race wait as motionless our support. It is important that all truth is told, otherwise would not be true. It is also important that life does not turn into a weight but in a conscious creation of your future world. Nevertheless, we were surprised and very happy in the same way. You have noticed in your last month the an awakening of souls provided numerically greater. Remember that your knowledge of all possible futures, being mental, is not enough to consciously access to the higher vibration of our plans. I talked last message about the futility of speech to those who have not consciously chosen the path of light. Now I communicate the futility of speech in general. At this point, your mere presence and your power alone, awakened souls, should be your only method of helping those who have chosen to undertake the journey. I spoke also of the evacuation plan as a last resort, and I told you that was not officially anyway. This plan was developed and still exists, but the unexpected number of awakened souls in our last months has convinced us, and that you should be happy and proud, to make us hope that your race, although late in the schedule, can achieve cosmic consciousness. But I want to repeat that although the expectation is an act of love that we totally understood and consciously chosen, there is always the real risk on the part of the darks. It will then decide everything in this short period. It is important now that this exponential growth of awakened souls happened in your last month, do not stop, and is not diminished. Finally, know that other people outside of the Federation of Gaia have volunteered to send their souls among your children's future. Be more focused on your heart and nothing could happen because of the dark will prevent you from reaching us. We wait. January BK. Commanding Officer of PKT Kajimran. Message communicated to me. Exit.